Hey there, y'all! Welcome back to our kitchen, where we bring you the best recipes from around the world. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you Garten's absolutely divine Scallops Provencal recipe. This dish is not only delicious, but also incredibly easy to make. It's the #1 saved recipe on the Food Network, and trust me, it's worth the hype. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner, you'll find this recipe both approachable and rewarding. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process so much smoother. You'll need 1 pound of fresh bay or sea scallops. Freshness is key here, so make sure to get the best quality you can find. Kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper. These simple seasonings will enhance the natural flavors of the scallops. And some all-purpose flour for dredging. This will give the scallops a nice, light crust. For the magic touch, we've got 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Butter adds richness and depth to the dish. Half a cup of chopped shallots, a minced garlic clove. These aromatics will infuse the dish with incredible flavor. A 1/4 cup of chopped fresh flat leaf parsley. Parsley adds a fresh, vibrant note. A 1/3 cup of dry white wine. The wine will deglaze the pan and add a lovely acidity. And 1 lemon cut in half. A squeeze of lemon juice at the end will brighten up the dish. Now, if you're using bay scallops, go ahead and keep them whole. They're small and cook quickly. If you've got sea scallops, slice each one in half horizontally. This ensures they cook evenly. Sprinkle them with salt and pepper. Seasoning at this stage is crucial for flavor. Toss with flour and shake off any excess. You want a light coating, not too heavy. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of butter in a large sauté pan over high heat until it starts to sizzle. The sizzling butter is a sign it's ready for the scallops. Add the scallops in a single layer, then lower the heat to medium. This helps them cook evenly without burning. Let the scallops brown lightly on one side without moving them, then flip and brown the other side. Patience is key here. Don't rush this step. This should take about 3 to 4 minutes total. You're looking for a nice golden brown color. Once browned, melt the remaining butter in the pan with the scallops. This will create a rich, buttery sauce. Add the chopped shallots, minced garlic, and fresh parsley. These ingredients will add layers of flavor. Sauté for another 2 minutes, tossing the seasonings with the scallops. This step ensures everything is well combined. Now for the pièce de résistance, the moment that elevates this dish, pour in the dry white wine and cook for 1 minute. The wine will deglaze the pan, picking up all those delicious browned bits. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. This is your chance to make sure everything is perfect. Finally, serve these beauties hot with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. The lemon juice adds a final touch of brightness. And there you have it. A dish that looks as good as it tastes. Garten's Scallops Provencal, an elegant dish that's sure to impress. Perfect for a special occasion or a fancy weeknight dinner. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Your support means the world to us. You can find the full recipe and backstory in the description below. Thanks for watching. See y'all next time. Happy cooking!